All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their compressed air duster. So this has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, has built-in lighting, powerful and effective operation, multi-use. Same picture here. A couple of product descriptions here on the side, nothing on the bottom, and just compressed air duster on top. So if you're one of those people who's always cleaning out computers and always buying air dusters, well, you don't really need to buy those, because you could buy one of these and just recharge it and be able to clean out your computer, clean off your desk all the time. So it has a nice little carrying case here to keep it in. You've got all kinds of different nozzles, depending on what kind of size you need. Look at that. So let's look at the instructions here. So that's the brush. So yeah, it would be able to brush things out. There is a little owner's manual here, not a whole lot to it. It does say that this has a 25 to 85 minute runtime, probably depending on your speed. And then we have an included USB-C type cable. That's nice, always good. Oh, look at that. Got another nozzle. And that's it for the box. So this is the actual air duster itself. Gives you some information. Press 3 seconds to power on. Second, third press, more powerful. Fourth press, power off. So hold for 3 seconds. All right. Oh, that'll actually come in handy. Takes it up a notch. That takes it up even higher. And then that turns it off. So very nice and simple design. It does have a little LED light here, so you know that. And of course, right here on the back is where you plug in the USB-C type cable to charge the device. So I'm in love with this. I'm never gonna have to buy an air duster can ever again. I'm just gonna keep this thing by my desk and use it to clean stuff out whenever I need to clean stuff. This one looks a little more narrow. This would be the one. Those just pop right in. That'd be the one that I'd more so use to clean out a computer, clean out a keyboard, etc. So again, special thanks to this company. I think this is a great product. Truly something that could put those compressed air can companies really out of business. I mean, you have to buy those all the time. They get too cold, you can't use them. This would be able to be used at all times as long as you had it charged up. So I like this. I would definitely keep one of these with me if I was an IT guy still. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.